Now this car looks really rough, but it's not all that bad. The front frame, the main structural components are straight as it can get. It's this piece right here that V-Tune is gonna help us save a ton of money. This costs $3,000 and that's used. New from Lamborghini, it's even more. So V-Tune went out to the metal shop and bought this, a piece of aluminum rod for 20 bucks. And we're gonna fabricate our very own structural components.
So we have the fender up, now we need to start removing this piece right here. It just has a couple bolts on the side right here, a couple right here, and some down here. Check this out, it looks like half the car is missing, but we did get the piece. Check this out, the piece is in place. All we need to do now is get the car on the frame rack because we need to do a little more adjusting. So check this out, all the parts are on the car, all the gaps are looking good. We got these gaps over here on the side, looking perfect. We also got the headlights lined up pretty nice. The bumper is fitting up pretty good. It is an aftermarket fiberglass bumper, so it will need some adjustments here and there. But other than that, the car is looking great.